You can scroll endlessly, chase every cheap thrill, or seek instant gratification, but you will never be truly satisfied. Sure, you'll enjoy that dopamine hit in the moment, but the second it fades, you feel empty again. Even lonelier than before. If you want real happiness, stop chasing pleasure. Start chasing purpose. The struggle, the wins, the losses, the breakthroughs. That journey gives you more than just a quick buzz. It gives you serotonin and oxytocin. That is the fuel for real, long-term fulfillment. Think about it. Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Zuckerberg. They have more money than they could ever spend, yet they're still grinding every single day. Why? Because if they stopped, they'd become depressed and empty, just like anyone else. Money buys comfort, but only purpose buys peace. Try this today, just for 3 to 4 hours. Put the phone away and lock in on your one true goal. I guarantee you won't feel lost. Your overthinking will vanish, and you'll feel a deep, quiet sense of satisfaction. Find your purpose, and you'll never feel empty again. Thanks for watching.